I was just gifted this 37-inch bladeless tower fan from Antarctic Star, and in this video, I'm going to put it together and put it to the test. This is how it comes out of the box. Basically ready to go, it just needs the base installed. And the base comes in two parts that you really do just twist together. They have little latches you need to pay attention to. So I'm going to twist it so you can see how this works. And I really do just find where they latch, and then once they're ready, I just push until they snap into place. That's it. And then the base of the tower fan itself just has some little latches that it hooks right onto. So I'm going to put this down so I can see exactly what I'm doing here as I twist this in, as there's a specific way it will go in. And once you find that, you just make sure it locks. And when it locks, you'll hear a really solid snap, and then it's actually on. And here it is, nice and clean. I'm really liking the clean lines in general. It has about a 6-foot power cord, little shorter, so not a super long power cord, but it should be plenty. And the front is not removable, but this back section you can actually remove. It just is screwed together with a Phillips head screw. And so you can get in there and clean up any dust that gets in the impeller over time. Again, this is a bladeless tower fan, so it should be very clean in there and very easy to keep clean. It has a simple handle on the top, and then all the way on the top, it has all of the manual controls, and it also comes with a remote. Let's plug it in. It's plugged in. I'm going to turn it on. And it's really quiet to start with, but I am curious how it is at each mode. So I'll let those go in a moment. But first I just want to see the oscillation, as it has an 80-degree oscillation. It's moving very cleanly, and that's a nice focused oscillation, so not a huge all around in a circle. Really is meant to have airflow go in one direction, but then spread in that direction. Fans like this are really, really nice for focused spaces, say sitting at your desk or sitting in your living room and you just want something to fan over your space. They're also fantastic for air conditioning systems that just aren't really that powerful. If you put this in front of your vent, and so that air-conditioned air is actually being pushed further with this, that's a really great way to get just a little bit more out of your HVAC system. So I'm really liking the simple 80-degree oscillation. This also does have a few speeds and a few modes, and that's really where I want to put the sound and the power to the test. So let's start with speeds. Now starting at F1, it's really quiet. It does have a little bit of a warble to the sound, but very, very quiet. And you can see that it does have a fair amount of airflow as well. F2 is picking up with the airflow, still really quiet. Actually, the little bit of warble went away. I don't even know if that's a word, but it sounded like something was kind of wobbling in there at F1. And now it's actually smoother and stronger. Now F3 is where it starts getting more noticeable on the airflow and a little bit more on the sound, but it's still really nice and quiet. And then F4, level 4 fan, so nice. This one I'm really liking. It's not that much louder than the F3, but I can really, really feel the airflow difference, a lot stronger. I'll show how far this goes when I let go. And the tissue went about 3 feet. Now we're at level 5, really, really nice airflow. It's not that loud either. Granted, it is louder when I put my microphone right next to it, but in general, for the flow, I'm really liking the sound. It's not too much. Let me test how far I can have this go at this level. Oof, that's a lot further. The tissue went about 6 feet. And there's one more level, level 6. Still not that much louder than level 5. I'll let you listen for a moment. And this was actually blowing the tissue that was 6 feet away. And let's do the airflow test here. That went at least 7 feet, probably about 7 feet. So really, really nice airflow, can definitely flow into your space wonderfully, especially when you turn on that oscillation. You're getting exactly what you want. Now it has a few modes as well, so let me turn it down and talk about the modes. Now the first mode is normal mode. That's what we're in right now. You just get to choose your speed and have it run. The second mode is sleep mode. And in sleep mode, you may notice that the screen goes dark after 5 seconds, and it will start at whatever fan speed you started at, and then over the evening, every half hour, it will level down until it actually turns itself off. So it's just kind of a way to have some airflow as you're falling asleep. Then you have this one that looks like a little tree, and this is natural mode. And in this mode, it's actually going to change the flow of the fan naturally for you. And you can choose what the central speed is of that fan, and then it will flow around that speed, just a little higher and a little lower, causing more of a natural airflow. And then finally, you have automatic mode. And in automatic mode, it will automatically adapt to the temperature in your room. If it's under 73 degrees Fahrenheit, it'll just stay in level 1. But if your room is over 82 degrees Fahrenheit, it will go all the way up to level 6. And between that, it'll work up through the different speeds. So this is really ideal in the summer when it gets hot out, just so this is going to continue to adapt to what you need in your space. I also love that it tells me the temperature of my space right on the screen. And if I don't want that, the remote actually has a light option to turn that off. And then past that, everything on the remote matches what's on the top of the fan. And I've covered everything on this except timer. And timer's pretty straightforward, as I can set a time for it to run and it will automatically turn off when that time is reached. So right now it'll turn off on its own in 4 hours, and you can see that the timer icon has shown up. On the whole, this is a really nice, sleek fan. The buttons and the remote are very responsive. It's very clean all the way down. Great for houses with kids or pets where you may not want a bladed fan. Really nice and quiet. And because of the height, it actually gets a larger amount of space, really giving you exactly what you're looking for. Overall, this is a really lovely tower fan. If you're looking for a way to keep a little bit cooler, you may just love this fan from Antarctic Star.